how to find and edit the .htaccess file in File Manager in cPanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cPanel dashboard. Next, in this page, click and enter File Manager section under File. And again here, we will need to enter public HTML directory. The .htaccess file is one of the very important system files, hence hidden. To view the .htaccess file in cPanel, we need to click the Settings tab in the top right of the page. Next, in this pop-up, we need to select Show Hidden Files box and save the changes made here. And here it is, the .htaccess file. To edit the .htaccess file, click the Edit link in the top menu and Continue. You can add your code or any content and save the changes. And done with this video tutorial in File Manager. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.